Hi there, this is Fixed It. Bought one of these can openers from me, as my hands are Lego hands with arthritis. That's as far as I can close them. And it takes two AA batteries, so I've got a couple of standard AA's here. Stick them in. So I've got this tin of pilchards. My doggies have kibble and some pilchards. And okay, so I'm going to put this on here, and it goes over the top of the can like that, and then you press the button. As you can see, it's not as good as you would imagine. It's very, very low powered. So let's take those new alkaline batteries out. So I'll just try a couple of rechargeables that have been recharged, because these have more current. It sits on top of the tin. And makes it round the way around the top. Kind of wiggles, a bit like a bee. Press the button again. So it works with freshly charged rechargeable batteries. But I have another solution. And this is a 3000 milliamp hour lithium rechargeable battery, but it isn't a normal 1.5 volt battery, so it needs a special charger. It's 3.7 volts, which is greater than two standard batteries and much greater than two of those. So in order to get it to work, what I have is a plastic tube, any piece of plastic wrapped up, and inside it is a piece of cardboard with some aluminium foil on it. And what I'm going to do is to just insert that in one of these slots. Just let me get it in because it's a bit tricky. Okay, and the reason that's in there is that will allow this single battery to power both sides. So let me put this battery in. Get another can. So I've got this can with a standard lid on it, no wrinkle or anything. So then, let's see how long this takes to do. As you can see, that's a lot quicker. The tin's running away, being molested by some crazy rabbit on the top. Okay, I better stop it. And there we have it. So it's a lot quicker, and just a single 3000 milliamp hour 3.7 volts lithium rechargeable battery, and you can buy these in packs of 4 with a charger, as I did, and I'll put a link in the video description to them. You can buy the dummy batteries, which I've made as a plastic tube, on eBay for very little money, or 3D print one of your own. Let me just spin around for a second. And this is my beautiful three-legged dog Skippy, and what Skippy has smelt is this pork. Oh, Skippy, is that good? Oh, Skippy boy, is that good, Skip? Oh, I bet that's tasty. I know it's tasty. I love this pork. It comes of being an ex-military guy. I like to put it in a bit of butter and fry it, which is what I'll be having for my lunch tomorrow, because army rations used to have it. Skip, you drop some. There you go. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. There are over 600 videos to choose from, and every one of them is like this, i.e. a tried and tested video. If it's really useful to you, then what you can do is go in the description and buy me a coffee, which would be very nice. Or use the super thanks, which is the heart shape below the video. And now Skippy is trying to get access to the tin. Sorry, Skip. No can do. Actually, I just thought I'd give this a really difficult test. As you can see here, the can has got one of those indented bits on the bottom, which allows it to stack on top of other cans, but they can be a bugger to open with a normal can opener. So let's see if this beastie can open that side as well. Amazingly, it did it. Oh, wow. There, Skippy now gets second helpings. Is that nice, Skip? Thanks for watching. Bye.